What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, and I'm here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors, man. Salute to y'all for pulling up. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm so you do not miss out on this information. And let's get straight into this video. We got an update, but first I want to let y'all know that for y'all that ever heard of 500x gains, 1000x gains, and you wondered how people were able to do this, this is from getting in early on new projects. So working on a new project, I want to give y'all the alpha early so y'all can't say I didn't give it to you. Reach out to me via email, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com, if you want to enter a new private sale and have the opportunity to be one of these new investors before everyone else gets this information. Don't say I ain't tell you, man. Shout out to y'all that already reached out to me. But first off, join our private investment community on Facebook, Private Stock Market Game. We got over 6,100 active investors that this new project will be inside of. So you tap in if you understand. I'm trying to put y'all on, but I can't put too much out just yet because a lot of people in this space, soon as you put some information out, you'll have people trying to duplicate it or even pretending to be the same thing and basically swiping investors. So at DecemberDeMarco on Twitter as well, follow me there. And this video is going into the lands event. We got an update from Milkshake on what to do to make sure you can secure your land. So I just want to go over that for y'all and then also give y'all my strategy on what I plan to do for adding some lands to my profile, or to my portfolio. So shib.io is the official website. Please be careful, be aware of scammers. They're out here trying to really take your crypto. So do not click on any mysterious links. Do not try to download any random files. Just be careful because they are out here really bad right now. So we got an update from Milkshake saying during the introductory phase, SHIB, the metaverse, 36,431 plots of land will become unlocked while welcoming the revealing a part of 4 different districts. So important, you won't be able to place bids if you have not locked leash or shiboshis. So if you want to place a bid, you have to go over here to the website. Here's the leash locker, here's the shiboshi locker. So if you don't have leash, you could buy leash straight from shibaswap here. And so here you can connect your wallet and you'll click the amount and the time that you want to lock for. The longer you lock for, the better chance you'll have. So that's how you do that. But please also be advised and careful with waiting on last minute bidding. Transactions may fail and you may end up losing your bid. So if this is something that you want to do, you want to make sure that you're early. Now stick tuned to the end of this video so I can give y'all my strategy on acquiring some of these lands. Now don't worry, if you win the bid, your land belongs to you and you can mint at any given time and claim at your convenience and with the least impact on your gas fees. Remember, the timer must come to an end before being allowed to mint. So tip, if you bid for more than 1 plot of land in the SHIB metaverse, you can mint all at once to save on gas. We recommend you wait for the right time to avoid high network fees. Important, in case users are outbid or are not able to mint any land, their locking time will automatically be reduced. If someone outbids your offer, the original bidding funds will be sent back directly to you, its owner. The winning bid and new owner will then appear and take its place. At the end of the bid event, the highest bid will be granted ownership of the land. The acknowledged owner will be able to mint the plots as soon as the timer comes to an end. So here's a holder update. We reached 1.1, or we're currently at 1.1 million holders. Leash at 28,000 holders, Bone at 42,000 holders, X Sheep 68,000, X Leash 11,000, and T-Bone 34,000 holders. Now for this event, what I plan on doing is basically allowing the bid event to take place and then later on coming to scoop up some of the higher tier lands on the secondary market from basically paper hand investors or those that might feel some buyer's remorse, from purchasing at a high rate. So what I'm looking for is people that, bid astronomical price on these top tier lands and, maybe giving it a little bit of time, not sure, maybe a couple days, depending on what, you'll start to see people adjust their prices after, they see this event either perform the way they want it to, or if it doesn't. So let's say, someone purchases this land and they expect the price to 2, 3, 4x after the event, and that doesn't happen. That can make someone discouraged, and they'll end up selling their land at basically a discounted rate. It's just like real estate and real world. You'll let investors that get a lot of money, they end up buying overpriced property, real estate, and then later on they have to sell it at a discount as a distressed owner, or someone that just wants to really get out of that property. So that's what I'm coming to look for. I'm coming to basically wholesale the land event. So that's my strategy. Y'all can stay following me. I'm gonna keep covering it though, to see what everything's doing, and then as we begin to purchase our lands, I'll show y'all what I'm doing as well. So let me know if y'all are interested in that. But yeah, back to letting y'all know about protecting your crypto. Holders beware. New malware targets MetaMask and 40 other crypto wallets. So a lot of people have been reaching out to me, telling me that they've been scammed, or they've, clicked on a link, or they think they might have accidentally compromised their wallet. And we didn't know what this new scam or, malware was called, but now we have a name for it. So here's the article here from Cointelegraph. So security was never strong suit of browser-based crypto wallets to store Bitcoin, Ether, and other cryptocurrencies. However, new malware makes the safety of online wallets even more complicated by directly targeting crypto wallets that work as browser extensions such as MetaMask, Binance Chain Wallet, or Coinbase Wallet. Named Mars Stealer, so that's the new name of it, the Mars Stealer. So be aware of that, y'all. Please do not click on any files, download any random links, be aware. So that's what it was named by its developers. The new malware is a powerful upgrade on the information stealing ASCII Trojan of 2019, according to security researcher 3Export. It targets more than 40 browser-based crypto wallets, along with popular two-face authentication extensions, with a grabber function that steals users' private keys. So for y'all that think just because you have that two-factor authentication does not mean that you're just, all the way in the clear. You still have to be very, very concerned and careful or cautious. So MetaMask, Nifty Wallet, Coinbase Wallet, these are wallets that we use. Well, as far as MetaMask Wallet and Coinbase Wallet, Ronin Wallet, Binance Chain Wallet, TronLink Wallet are listed as some of the targeted wallets. The security expert notes the malware can target extensions on Chromium-based browsers except Opera. Sadly, it means some of the most common browsers such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Brave made it to the list. Also, while they are safe from extension-specific hacks, Firefox and Opera are also vulnerable to credential hijacking. Mars Stealer can be spread through various channels such as file hosting websites, torrent clients, and any other shady downloaders. After infecting a system, the first thing the malware does is check the device language. If it matches the language ID of Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Azerbaijan, Belarus, or Russia, the software leaves the system without any malicious action. For the rest of the world, the malware targets a file that holds sensitive information such as crypto wallets, addresses, infos, and private keys. It then leaves the system by deleting any presence once the theft is complete, so you will basically never even know it happened to you. Hackers are currently selling Mars Stealer for $140 on dark web forums, meaning the barrier to access the Trojan is relatively low for malicious actors. Users who hold their crypto assets on browser-based wallets or use browser extensions like Authy to utilize 2FA are warned to be cautious against clicking dubious links or downloads. So that's the warning for that. I want to, just update y'all and keep y'all safe in the markets. But that's all we got for this video. If y'all are interested in joining a private sale before the rest of this information goes out to the rest of the community, you got to reach out to me ASAP. So this is for those with a little more risk tolerance, those that understand, the markets a little better. This is not for, first time people that just want to jump in and, we might moon, that's the intentions, but it's for those that understand the process of the crypto space. So reach out to me, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Let's go to the moon, y'all. We are out.